5 best micro-investing apps to buy stocks with your spare change. Back in the day, if you were looking to save up your spare change, you'd look to the old faithful piggy bank. But nowadays, as cash is slowly becoming obsolete, smart investors are turning to micro-investing as the modern-day answer to the piggy bank. And with micro-investing apps, not only can you save up your chump change, but you can invest it. With the number of micro-investing apps on the market, it can be challenging deciding which one is best suited for you. In this episode, you will learn: what are micro-investing apps? How micro-investing apps work? 5 best micro-investing apps. We've also included the timestamps in the description below if you want to revisit any particular section of the video. What are micro-investing apps? Micro-investing allows you to invest small amounts of money to contribute to building up a profitable fund. The premise is simple. If you make small, frequent contributions over time into an investment portfolio, you have the potential to earn more than you would have saved in a savings account. For example, if you pay $4.35 for breakfast, micro-investing apps will deduct $5 from your checking account and reserve 65 cents for your savings. Once these deductions reach $5, these apps will deposit it in your investment account. How micro-investing apps work? There are numerous apps that provide micro-investing services, but each works differently than the others. Generally, micro-investing apps round off each purchase made unto the highest integer and diverts the spare change to the user's investment fund. These funds would then be used for fractional investing in shares. Now you know what micro-investing is and how it works, so which micro-investing app should you choose? Let's take a look. 5 best micro-investing apps. Here are the 5 best micro-investment apps. 1. Acorns. Acorns is one of the best micro-investing apps in today's investment space. If you're more of a hands-off type, consider downloading the Acorns app. Once you connect your bank account to Acorns, it will round up your purchases and deposit the money into your Acorns account. For example, if you buy something for $15.49, Acorns will take the extra 51 cents and save it. Once your account reaches $5, Acorns will begin investing for you. If you choose, you can set your preferences to help the app decide where to invest, but if you prefer, you can let the app invest for you in a set it and forget it way. With Acorns, you're unlikely to make a killing with your investments, but it's a good supplement if you want to start saving more each month. Since the roundup amounts are so small, you likely won't even notice the money missing from your account each month. Acorns does charge a small fee, but that fee is waived if you have a zero balance. For balances under $5,000, that fee is $1 per month. Once your balance surpasses $5,000, you'll pay 0.25% of your balance per year divided into monthly fees. 2. Robinhood. Robinhood is a great choice if you want to take a deeper dive into the stock market but aren't quite sure where to start. The app is available on iTunes and Google Play in the US. This app has been around since 2013 and aims to make investing accessible and affordable for everyone. Robinhood doesn't charge commission and it's free to open an account. Transfer of funds to your bank is also free. The benefit of using Robinhood is that it's a simple app designed for new investors. That means there are no bells and whistles or confusing language used. The app is designed to be as easy to use as possible. If you're more experienced at investing, you might find Robinhood to be lacking due to its no-frills platform. Unlike Acorns, Robinhood lets you trade full stocks. You can also buy and sell with Bitcoin. With Robinhood, you're able to stay on top of your investments with real-time market data. You can also see the average share price investors bought stocks at and their current prices. Other features include a list of related stocks that other investors bought, stock ratings by analysts, earnings information, and general stock market news. If you're still unsure whether Robinhood is best for you or not, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for our future episode covering that topic in detail. 3. Public. If you've mixed investing with social media, the end result might resemble public.com. Public's iOS and Android apps let you connect with other investors much like you connect with friends on social media. When you're not sure where to start as an investor, interacting with more experienced traders can help. Public makes mindful investing easier through its use of themes. The platform has about 50 investing themes which bundle similar companies together. Maybe you want to invest in women-led businesses or environmentally conscious companies. Public has a theme for that, helping you invest with your heart along with your head. But make no mistake, they also appeal to your financial common sense. Public.com features include commission-free trading, fractional shares, referral bonuses, real-time trading, in-app support, no minimum amount, and SPIC insured balance. Public works best for new investors who want to learn the ropes, earn some extra cash, but not control every nuance of their portfolio. Public isn't for high-volume day traders, and it doesn't work for international trading or cryptocurrency. If you prefer a completely passive approach, Public isn't for you either. 4. Stash. Stash is an app designed for beginners who want to be hands-on with their investments. They have very transparent fees and don't charge any trading fees or commissions. After you download the app, you can connect it with your bank account. Stash will then ask you some questions to determine your risk level. This will be determined as conservative, moderate, or aggressive. Once you're ready to invest, Stash recommends reading its investor's guide first to make sure you're comfortable with the process. You can pick the types of companies and portfolios you'd like to invest in. You can choose to invest your money in causes that are important to you, specific interests, products and services, or specific companies. This gives you a certain amount of freedom in determining where your money goes. After choosing the types of companies you want to invest in, you'll see a list of companies that match your preferences. You can read more about each company and assess their risk level before actually investing your money. Once you've made your decision, you can add it to your Stash portfolio and even choose to auto stash, where you can determine how much money to add to the investment on a weekly or monthly basis. It could be investing $100 or as little as $5. You can check your Stash portfolio in the app at any time and make changes as often as you like. 5. Betterment. If Robinhood sounds too hands-on for you, consider Betterment. While this app allows you to be hands-off about your investments, it also gives you access to real financial advisors who can help you decide where to invest your hard-earned dollars. When you sign up, you'll get 2 choices for service: Betterment Digital and Betterment Premium. The former is the simpler of the two, with no required account minimum and a small fee, 0.25% of your assets. The latter has a higher fee, 0.4% of your assets, but gives you easier access to financial advisors. With Betterment Digital, you can speak with financial advisors through the app's messaging system. If you choose the premium service, you'll get unlimited phone access to those advisors in addition to the in-app messaging. It's important to note that you'll also need a $100,000 account minimum to sign up for the premium service, so most investors go with the digital package. The Betterment app is available on the App Store and Google Play, but you can also access the tool online. No matter what type of investor you are, there's a micro-investing app out there for you. For more hands-off investing, Acorns and Betterment are good choices. But if you want to dig deeper into the market and have more of a say in where you invest, go with Stash or Robinhood. Each app helps you to save, so you can't make a bad choice. Just make sure you research the benefits of each app before signing up. That's it for this episode. Please give us your feedback in the comments section below. To watch more episodes on financial topics like this, hit that like and subscribe button. If you want to support us even more, buy us a coffee from the link in the description. Good luck and see you in the next episode.